Hey everyone, Maureen here with Crowdy Advisors. So I wanted to share what's on my mind today. This thought that has been kind of sticking with me today, and it is, how do I just get one? So what do I mean by that? Oftentimes when we're building our businesses and starting out, we're thinking really far ahead. We're thinking about how can we make $100,000? How can we make $100 million? How can we make, be able to be like Instagram and sell our business for $1 billion? And I think sometimes thinking that way stunts your growth. And so I encourage you to take a step back and think, how can I just get one? And when I say one, I just mean $1. How can I make $1? When we are providing services and products and goods, it can be hard to kind of try to figure that out. But when you're crafting your plan, and when I say plan, I mean a business plan, but not like a 100-page business plan, but just maybe even before you start writing it down in your mind, dreaming and thinking and goal setting what your business would look like. I think one of the first things we should think about, aside from what the product, service, or good is that we are going to provide, but think about, like, how do I make my first dollar? And that goes beyond, necessarily creating the package, creating the product. It also goes to how you'll present it and how you'll get to your customers, how you will target them, how you will show people that the value or the number that you're putting on this product or service is actually something that people will want to pay.